Hi, this is Gia Milazzo-Smith from Designs by Gia Interior Design, and today I want to show you one of our finished projects. This is a handicap suite, and we created this suite to give them all of the room that they need when helping their daughter with all of the things that she needs to do in this space. So first I want to show you some of the details of the bedroom space. We've got this beautiful white velvet upholstered bed, and behind me you'll see some custom window treatments. We've got Roman shades here in beautiful blue velvet, and we've got some stationary panels. They're stationary and they always look good here, and we have the light control and the privacy control with the Roman shade. Over here we've got a beautiful fireplace feature. Some of the existing original woodwork remains, so everything got painted, and we used this beautiful blue color. And we have retiled the tile in this fireplace to tie in with the rest of the decor, and painted all of the brick black. And then we ordered this beautiful piece of artwork. This is a photography piece that we ordered and had framed from Georgiana Lane, and we thought it was the perfect piece for this bedroom space. Now we'll take you over to the handicap bathroom space, and we can give you a little bit of a tour of that. In the handicap bathroom, we wanted to give the homeowners plenty of room in the handicap shower, and since their situation is that they have to have an assistant in there when using that shower, we needed to create a bathroom space with plenty of room to be able to do that, and very barrier-free in order to be able to operate in that space. We also wanted plenty of storage in that room so that everything that they needed to use was at their fingertips, and we didn't have any unnecessary trips to the hallway bathroom or the hallway closet. So everything that they need is stored in this space. You'll see some beautiful tile on the flooring and on the walls in this bathroom as well. You'll see a beautiful 12 by 24 glossy tile on the walls from floor to ceiling, and that gives a washability and a durability to this bathroom, and it continues around the entire room. We had to reframe this whole bathroom and kind of recreate the shape in order to give us the space that we needed for the handicap shower, and so we did that, and we also added a closet outside of that space into the bedroom area. Gave us a little bit more room for the bathroom. You'll see some beautiful quartz countertops and some custom cabinetry, a beautiful silver round mirror, and some beautiful lighting sconces around the space. We also have very durable surfaces in this bathroom space as well, and it created a great environment and a great space for a handicapped bath.